we're here at Edge Welding Supply. We wanted to give a quick demonstration on the torch assembly and the cup assembly for a basic 9 or 20 torch, which is this one, and then also a basic 17 or 18 torch, which is this one, and just how our system works with it. So we're going to start out with the 9 or 20 torch. And the simple thing about this torch is that our system uses a gas lens, and it doesn't matter which size it is. Your gas lens obviously just screws right into your torch body. And then what we did was we came out with a thermal spacer that will fit directly onto your existing Teflon, and then you will have an adapter that screws onto that. It will also hold this thermal spacer in place, and then the easiest way to get the cup on is to start with it square with the O-ring, and then you just twist as you're pushing it on, and there you have that one. And then we use what's called a stubby gas lens for our 17 and 18 torches. Again, it screws on really simple. No thermal spacer on this one. You have an adapter that screws right on. And then again, square your cup up with the O-ring and twist and push at the same time until it's fully seated here on the bottom. And there you have it. And then you can adjust your tungsten as needed. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we're here at Edge Welding Supply. We're going to show you how to assemble a collet body with a 17, 8, or 18 torch, or a 9 or 20 torch. And we have two different options with the 17 or 18 torch. The first option is using the long collet body that comes with your torch, or generally your kit, and it just screws into your body. We've come out with a double O-ring seal adapter that has a radius on it that will screw right onto your existing collet body, and then you have a cup that will then push and twist as you're putting it on until it fully seats, and that's the easy assembly with that. Second, we have the same torch. This is a 17 or an 18 torch. It's basically the same thing. And we have a second option that is a shorty. And the shorty style is nice because you can use these shorter cups to get into tighter places. So again, this screws right into your torch, the same as the first option. And we have a adapter that's just shaped differently. This will then screw onto until it fully seats, and then you have your cup that you just put squarely against the O-ring and twist and push as squarely as you can until it is fully seated, and then your tungsten goes in after that and you adjust it. Our third option is the 9 or 20 torch. This obviously uses a smaller collet body, and again, this collet body screws directly into your torch body. We offer a thermal spacer that fits right on, and then we offer the gas lens that has a double O-ring seal, which has two different functions. It's a gas tight seal, but at the same time it also squares the cup up to the tungsten center. Again, so you put it squarely against the O-ring and you push and twist at the same time until it's fully seated against the thermal spacer. The reason for the thermal spacer is if you take this torch and you lay it against a hot cup against a cold table, it should hold the glass up off the table so that it maintains a long life on the cup. And so again, when you're taking our cups back off, it's easier, instead of just trying to pull on it, that you do it just like a screw thread and you twist and pull at the same time until it pops off. And then you can take your adapter off at that point, and you can put your pink ceramic back on. Thanks for watching.